Today we are showing the QM40 CNC ball head mirror machining process with gantry loading and unloading. The gantry system automatically picks up the workpiece and loads it into the machine, reducing manual operation and improving efficiency. After clamping, the CNC system precisely controls the tool path to machine a smooth spherical mirror surface. This machine is suitable for batch processing of ball head parts, with stable accuracy, good surface finish, and high automation efficiency. The gantry system can also be customized for different work pieces. QM40 CNC ball head mirror machine, a reliable solution for precision spherical machining.